बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तो ऑर्गेनिक रिएजेंट सीरीज में आज विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द पायरिडीनियम क्लोरोक्रोमेट। जिस तरह से लास्ट क्लास में हमने देखा था, दैट वाज पायरिडीनियम क्रोमेट reagent, which is one of the oxidizing agents, very important as far as the competitive exams is concerned. So today we'll be talking about pyridinium chlorochromate. So let's start firstly the structure. तो pyridinium जो है क्लोरोक्रोमेट जो है, इट्स बेसिकली ये होता क्या है, इट्स योर एज द वर्ड सजेस्ट pyridinium, दैट मीन्स pyridine has got protonated. दिस इज योर pyridine. इसको हमने डिस्कस किया था लास्ट क्लास में. इट्स एरोमेटिक सिस्टम. सो दिस इज योर pyridinium. सो इट हैज टेकन अ प्रोटॉन. ठीक है. pyridinium chlorochromate, this is your chromium, and then you have this type of structure. This is now ये जो इन दो का कॉम्प्लेक्स है, this is called as pyridinium chlorochromate salt. ठीक है. So this is used as an oxidizing agent. Let's see how we can form this. Very simple. You take pyridine, so it has a lone pair here. ठीक. So you treat this with HCl and chromium trioxide. So HCl acid, so this will take a proton from this side. ठीक है. So this chromium trioxide will take, let me show it how it is formed. So it's your chromium trioxide. So what will happen, this it will go here and this Cl negative will come here, and these two will react to form, this is pyridine and this is your chlorochromate. So ये जो salt है, this pyridinium chlorochromate, so this is used as an oxidizing agent. So what it does, so what this reagent does is it will convert alcohols to carbonyl compounds. So if you have COH bond somewhere, so it will convert that COH into carbonyl, where it is aldehyde or ketone. So this is in general the function of this oxidizing agent. It will convert OH into C double bond O, COH into C double bond O. But as far as the competitive exams is concerned, उसमें हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे, कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आता है. सी इसमें पॉइंट नंबर 1 ये है that it oxidizes benzylic alcohols, or if it is allylic alcohol, or even if it is 1 degree, 2 degree alcohol. So what it does, it will convert that into aldehyde, simple, or carbonyl compound. ये तो जनरल इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन है, जिस तरह से we have seen in the previous class regarding the pyridinium chromate. ठीक है. So it can do that kind of work, need not to worry about. लेकिन जो इसमें मेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, जहां से क्वेश्चन आता है, इसमें दो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है. वन इज दी oxidation. Absolutely discussing two things here as far as the competitive exams is concerned. One is oxidation of 3 degree allylic alcohols. Oxidation of 3 degree allylic alcohols, यानी allylic alcohol but if it is 3 degree. उसके साथ एक स्पेशल केस आता है जहां से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है मेनी टाइम्स, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ 3 degree allylic alcohols. And another case we'll be discussing, that is the side reactions, or you say abnormal behavior. So we'll write down side reactions. That is also very very important. So we'll do some organic transformations, कुछ practical examples हम करेंगे under these two heads. That's oxidation of 3 degree allylic alcohols to corresponding carbonyl compounds, and side reactions which operate in presence of pyridinium chloro. This is chlorochromate. So those we will be discussing. Let's talk about number 1. That is oxidation of your let's take example, oxidation of allyl alcohol, ये वाला, and then we'll move with these two. So if we talk about oxidation of allylic alcohol, we know that, or benzyl, if this is your benzyl alcohol, this is your benzyl alcohol. So this will get converted in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate, PCC. So the product will be simple. This is your benzene, ठीक है, shortcut, and then you have, so this OH has got converted to carbonyl. That is the product. Likely if you have allylic alcohol, let's say you have, this is your allylic alcohol. So in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate, so this group will get converted to carbonyl. That's the product formed. So likely if you have 1 degree, 2 degree, let's say you have 2 degree alcohol. So in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate, so this COH will get oxidized to carbonyl. That's ketone. तो ये तो नॉर्मल बिहेवियर है इसका. नाउ जो मैंने कहा जहां से क्वेश्चन आता है दैट इज द साइड रिएक्शंस एंड ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ एलाइलिक अल्कोहल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो आई विल फर्स्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट द साइड रिएक्शंस. देखिए, लेट मी डू दिस एज एन ऑर्गेनिक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. नॉर्मली क्या होता है इसमें, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो साइड रिएक्शंस है, व्हेन द साइड रिएक्शंस ऑकर वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट pyridinium chlorochromate will oxidize allylic or benzylic alcohols or primary or secondary alcohols to corresponding carbonyl compounds. But when the side reactions occur, देखिए side reactions कब आती है. नंबर 1, जब आपके पास allylic, एक तो allylic alcohol होना चाहिए, allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है, you must be this type, a double bond, then a carbon, then OH attached to this carbon. This is allylic side, fine. So when you have this allylic OH, allylic alcohol group present in the compound, then you also have a double bond somewhere near this allylic group. So you have a double bond. तो जब ये दो चीजें आपके कंपाउंड में प्रेजेंट है, then we have to keep in mind that maybe side reactions will occur. We expect that allylic alcohol should get converted to carbonyl, but that will not be carbonyl, will be something else. It's carbonyl plus something more. क्या होता है? Let's take the example. What do you mean by this side reaction or abnormal behavior? देखिए, let's take the example. If you have this type of compound, this is organic transformation. So this is your compound. इसमें बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आया, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज आवर कंपाउंड. ठीक है, अब देखिए यहाँ पे ये कंपाउंड है, इसमें वी हैव अल्कोहल ग्रुप हियर. नाउ विच अल्कोहल इट इज? इट्स अटैच्ड टू अ कार्बन विच इज अटैच्ड टू अनदर कार्बन. सो दिस इज योर प्राइमरी, फाइन. This is primary carbon, so it's a primary alcohol. But then we have a double bond also present. ठीक. So मैंने क्या कहते हैं allylic alcohol. So it can be allylic alcohol or any type of alcohol, sorry, or any alcohol that is 1 degree, 2 degree. So दोनों क्राइटेरिया जहां पे फॉलो होते हैं, एक तो अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप भी प्रेजेंट है प्राइमरी, एंड देन वी हैव अ डबल बॉन्ड आल्सो इन द कंपाउंड. सो नॉर्मली हम एक्सपेक्ट क्या करते हैं, नॉर्मली we expect that this will get converted to carbonyl. So it should be like this. Normally it should be like this. So this is the normally procedure we expect that in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate. So we have this compound present. But that is not the case. Now we'll discuss it why. जैसे मैंने कहा साइड रिएक्शंस होती है. साइड रिएक्शंस क्यों होती है? बिकॉज ये जो रिएजेंट है, इट इज बेसिकली प्रेजेंट इन द एसिडिक मीडियम. एज आई डिस्कस दैट, लेट्स गो बैक. पायरिडीनियम क्लोरोक्रोमेट इज बेसिकली यू हैव पायरिडीन विद इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl एंड क्रोमियम ट्राइऑक्साइड. तो आपके मीडियम में एसिडिक कंडीशन है, सो यू आर बेसिकली डीलिंग विद द एसिडिक कंडीशंस. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिड द साइड रिएक्शंस ऑकर. तो व्हाट हैपेंस बेसिकली, द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म्ड इज दिस. So this is your product formed. This is your product formed. So now if we see at this product, so what has happened basically, so there's a bond formed between this and this. So this COH has got converted to C double bond O, so that was expected because of PCC, alcohol to carbonyl this conversion. And another problem is that this double bond has shifted to this position. So this ring formation, 6-membered ring formation, and then shifting of double bond. So this is unusual behavior than the expected one. So this is one important thing. Now let's take another example, then we'll discuss the problem of interest. If you use the same compound in presence of, so this is in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate. This was expected, but it doesn't follow this path. So if you use pyridinium chlorochromate in presence of sodium hydroxide, remember this. एक तो आपका pyridinium chlorochromate जो normal आपका reagent है, then you are using sodium hydroxide also. So what you do if you use sodium hydroxide, then what happens? कि ये जो आपका double bond, if you talk about this double bond, it's attached to a carbon. यहाँ पे it is HH. So it's basically less substituted. If you put this double bond here, it becomes more substituted. So in presence of sodium hydroxide, what it does, this gets isomerized, this compound. So this less substituted gets converted to more substituted. So we'll get compound that is more substituted. The rest will be same. So by using sodium hydroxide, we'll get a more substituted product. That's it. So this is your more substituted. So in presence of sodium hydroxide, या आप ऐसे भी दिखा सकते, if you treat this with sodium hydroxide, so if you treat this with sodium hydroxide, so the isomerization will happen. Isomerization. Less substituted double bond will move here, so we'll get a more substituted double bond now. It's more substituted at 2 methyl groups right here. Okay? So this is unusual behavior. But अगर आप चाहते हो, you want to make this reaction to follow via this pathway. You don't want this ring to get formed here. You don't want the unusual behavior. What you have to do in presence of pyridinium chlorocarbon CC, you have to use a buffer here. Buffer solution. And buffer which is normally used, that is NaOAC, sodium acetate. So if you use sodium acetate with pyridinium chlorochromate, then what you will get? You will get the normal product, that is your OH group will get converted to carbonyl group. But if you don't use sodium acetate, if you don't use the buffer, then you will get this compound, and in presence of sodium hydroxide, then you will get this. So these are the two products, these are the isomers. Okay. So normally in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate and presence of buffer, that is sodium acetate, you will get this alcohol getting converted to carbonyl. But if you don't use the buffer, because you have an acidic medium present, that acid and the double bond, they create the unusual behavior. So we'll get the cyclization of this compound and then the oxidation of this COH. So now, अब इसमें important चीज यहाँ पे mechanism. I feel mechanism is very important here. So let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. So this unusual behavior of pyridinium chlorochromate. Let's discuss the mechanism. So we have this is our reactant. This is our reactant. Okay. So we are treating this with pyridinium chlorochromate, P, C and C. So हमें product निकालना है. So we know the product now. A ring will be formed here and then this will get converted to carbon. Let's see the mechanism. So we are using the acidic medium, fine. So first of all, simple procedure is oxidize this as per the normal rule. पहले oxidized product बनेगा, उसके बाद unusual behavior. So this is your oxidized product. ठीक है. Now in presence of acid, से मैंने पहले ही कहा कि because of acid and the double bond, the product formed is something else. There's a side reaction which happens. So this will take a proton. ठीक. So then what will happen? So यहाँ पे I will make it in a single step so as to prevent the time. So it will get a positive charge because it has donated a proton. So then that will get neutralized by this, and this double bond will move to this position. So you have the cyclizer structure formed. You have plus charge here, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये बॉन्ड यहाँ मूव हो गया, and at this position you have O and H. ठीक, तो you have O and H formed here. Now यहाँ पे आप कार्बन पे you have a proton here, CHH. So to remove this plus, so we'll get here. So finally what you get is, oh, we had a methyl here also. So you have the least substituted product here, and then you have COH, and then this OH will get oxidized in presence of this pyridinium chlorochromate, and then we have a carbonyl group here. So we'll get this compound. This is CO, and this is your compound formed. Since it is least substituted, so if you use sodium hydroxide, जैसे मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया, so this will get isomerized to more substituted product. So this is more substituted product will be formed. So this is your carbonyl, this is your double bond, that's your more substituted product formed. So this was the mechanism. ठीक है. Now let's take some more transformations. So if we have a transformation, let's say we have a compound. If this is our compound, then we have so ये आपका reactant दिया हुआ है, and then on the arrow it is given that PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. तो simple सी बात है, we have a double bond present here, and then we have OH also present. That means the unusual procedure will be followed here. So simply make a ring here and then convert this into carbonyl. Very simple. So your product will be, इसे बिल्कुल कोई ज़्यादा serious नहीं कि just we have to remember the reagent and its function. So you have a double bond here that will remain as it, and then यहाँ से एक bond बन गया, then convert this into carbonyl. So that is your product formed. ठीक है. Let's take one more organic transformation. So if you have this type of compound, so आपका reactant जो है or your substrate is this type. This is your substrate, and then you have here PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Simple. You have a double bond present, you have all alcoholic group also present. So what it does, you can form a bond here to form a 6-member ring and convert this OH into carbonyl. So आपका जो product बनेगा, that is very simple. So you'll get your product, that is so that's it. So interestingly, अगर आप देखोगे कि ये वाला pathway and ये वाला pathway similar kind of compound. ठीक है. So this is how we do the organic transformations, and इसी के related questions are usually asked. Now we have the third portion. So यहाँ तक whatever concept I have discussed here, so questions इसी में आते हैं, and then questions have been asked in the previous exams, particularly your paper number 2. So the third point in the pyridinium chlorochromate, जहाँ से question आता है, that is your reaction of PCC with 3-degree allylic alcohol. ये बहुत important है. Allylic alcohol. Now, how it will oxidize the 3-degree allylic alcohol? We know that it will oxidize the allylic alcohol into aldehyde. or carbonyl compound. But what about if it is 3 degree allylic alcohol? अगर आपका substrate 3 degree allylic alcohol है, what do you mean by that? So let's take the example of a 3 degree allylic alcohol. 3 degree allylic alcohol means this one. This is your methyl group. अब देखिए, this is your 3 degree methyl, this is 3 degree carbon, this one, and then you have allylic alcohol here. ठीक? So this is called as a 3 degree allylic alcohol. If you treat this with pyridinium chlorochromate, what is the product formed? यहाँ पे जो product बनता है, remember this, that is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Remember this, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, sorry, unsaturated carbonyl compound, or aldehyde, no problem, depending on R. So when you treat 3 degree allylic alcohols with the PCC, that's pyridinium chlorochromate, you will get alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. ये बहुत important है. Now how is it happens? Let's do it. इसको हम reaction सीधे mechanism के साथ ही कर लेते हैं. So the product which you will get, that is, let's first make this alpha beta unsaturated. So this is your reactant or substrate. This is your product. देखिए, carbonyl compound, and this is alpha and this is beta. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So what has happened basically, आपका जो OH group यहाँ पे था, जहाँ पे double bond बनना चाहिए था, CO, it has migrated to this position, shifted to this position, from this to this, and then this double bond has came to this position. ठीक है. So दो चीजें होती है, एक तो OH has gone to this position where it has got oxidized to C double bond O, and then your double bond moved to this position. So this formed alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Let's first take a example, then we'll do the mechanism. So the question which was asked once in the exam, this was the question asked. This is your now this is a very interesting question, even though it's very easy if you remember this basics about the 3 degree allylic alcohols. So if you treat this compound with pyridinium chlorochromate, so what is the product? देखिए, पहली बात तो हमें ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है, we have a double bond, this is allylic position, and this is a double bond, so we have so this is your allylic position. So you have this allylic carbon which is 3 degree. So you have 3 degree alcohol also present, and then we have an allylic carbon also simultaneously. So if you have 3 degree allylic alcohol, then you will get alpha beta unsaturated. So इस ring में we have to convert this into alpha beta unsaturated. So you can do one thing very simple, that if you move this double bond to this position, and then move this alcohol to this position, then move double bond here, then oxidize that alcohol to carbonyl, that's your compound formed. So you will get so I moved alcohol here, that means that will get converted to carbonyl after oxidation, then get a double bond here. फिर यहाँ से the structure will be as usual, जो पीछे है, that nothing will happen to that part. So what I have done, जब मैंने कहा कि we have to, ये जो alcohol है, we can move to this position, that is 1, 3, not second, third carbon, then it will get oxidized to carbonyl. So जिस पे आप OH लेके आएंगे वो double bond आपको यहाँ migrate करना है, This is your product formed. Simple. But remember, condition क्या है होनी चाहिए कि so now it is alpha beta unsaturated. Yes, this is carbonyl, this is alpha, this is beta. So alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is formed. So 3-degree allylic alcohols in presence of PCC will get converted into alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So simply there is OH gets shifted to the third carbon, and also the double bond gets migrated to the carbon जहां से OH was shifted. ठीक है. Let's talk about the mechanism and then we'll close it. So mechanism, let's take this one. This is our substrate. Okay. So when you treat this substrate with this is your chlorochromate. This is your chlorochromate. Okay. So in presence of chlorochromate, what will happen? So this lone pair will attack here, Cl will get released. Sorry, this is oxygen. Okay. So you will get so let's make it here because you'll get confused here. Let's make it separate. Let's make it separate here, this mechanism. Let's make it separate. So you have this was our substrate. So you are treating with this pyridinium chlorochromate. So you have chromate here. And then you have Cl. Okay. So Cl you will get attacked by this oxygen. So this oxygen, this carbon will get plus charge. Okay. So that plus you can remove this H proton here from. Okay. What has happened? Understanding. Okay, so you will get and your oxygen here, it's chromium, it's a double bond, then oxygen negative. Okay. So yes, so this is formed. Then in the next step यहाँ पे double bond भी था. So you can take the double bond here, you can move it here, and then you can attack from this position. ठीक है, double bond यहाँ पे, this will attack here, so this is moving back here. So you will get so you have now here oxygen, then you have Cr double bond O, this is oxygen, this is chromium. Okay, and then this double bond has moved to this position, and besides this we are having methyl group also here. And then when you treat this, very simple, if you treat this with the acid or you say H plus and water, so you will easily remove this portion, you will get alcohol here. Okay, so you will get alcohol here. So this is how the transformation alcoholic group came to this position. So OH has migrated to this position, double bond to this position. Now it's very simple. We know that PCC can do, it will oxidize this OH to carbonyl. That's your product formed. So this was the basic mechanism regarding the transformation. Okay? So this is all about the reagent called as pyridinium chlorochromate. अब इसमें एक point और एक है, that's unusual. So that also we'll discuss here, I think. Yes, that also sometimes will be asked. So the unusual case is if you have 1,4-diol. So if you have 1,4-diol, so you have allyl here, benzyl alcohol, but it's 1,4-diol. तो 1,4-diol की केस में क्या होगा? It will form a cyclic ring here. तो ये जो OH है, this will get converted to carbonyl. So you will get the product that is so you will get ये जो यहाँ पे OH बचता है, that will get, let's say it is like this, and then you have a ring, oh sorry, तो यहाँ पे जो OH आएगा, that will get finally oxidized to carbonyl. So यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 1 2, so you have 5-membered ring, and then this carbonyl, this is called as cyclic ester, or that's also called as the lactone. So if you have 1,4-diol, ठीक है ना, with either, यहाँ से अगर आपका only यही compound भी होगा, then only you will get the same kind of product. If this is this type of compound, you have double bond here, so you'll get this is the product formed, cyclic ester. So this is a bit unusual. So we have a ring formation here. This oxygen will attack this position, and then this CO will get, COH will get converted to carbonyl, that's C double bond O. So the rest remains the same. So this was all about the pyridinium chlorochromate. So pyridinium chlorochromate, whenever it comes to our mind that what is an oxidizing agent, so it converts your alcohol into carbonyl group. Then जिसमें question आता है, there are two special cases, oxidation of 3-degree allylic alcohols. यानी आपका 3-degree alcohol and then allylic is also present. So that's one point. So उस case में what you will get, that you have the special reaction हमने अभी discuss की, that you will get alpha beta unsaturated compounds. This was the case of allylic. So if it's 3-degree allylic alcohol, then in presence of PCC you will get alpha beta unsaturated alcohols. उसमें you have to migrate the OH to this position and then double bond to this position. That's it. Okay. The second case is that side reactions. Since we are using the acidic medium, if your substrate has a double bond and it is allylic as well, and it has the alcoholic group as well, then you will get the cyclization formed. So this is how the reaction happens. Then you will get a ring, 6-membered ring formation here, and then this OH will get converted to carbonyl. But if you are using sodium hydroxide, then this least substituted double bond will come here, so you'll get this one. If you want to make straightforward oxidation of this OH to C double bond O, then you have to use a buffer, that is sodium acetate. So ये तीन is very very important, and other one, that's your 3-degree allylic. So इसमें many times question have been asked. So you can remember these things. So if you have any other question, you can write it down. So this is all for the pyridinium chlorochromate, and the next class we'll be talking about another oxidizing agent. So till then, stay. Thank you.